welcome to Arimas Robotics, and today we will be discussing the last data type in Python, that is strings. Here first of all let us know what are strings. Strings are basically a collection of characters and they are written in single quotations or double quotation marks and they are not mutable. Okay, uh, the strings are collection of characters, all the alphabets either in small or either in capital letters. Here you have to learn that all the alphabets are characters. Okay, all the alphabets what you are going to be entered are all characters, means the individual letter, means the individual alphabet what you are going to type are characters. The collection of characters gives you a string, and a capital and a small letters are different from each other. So if you are writing a small letter as a string, means it will not take as a string, because all the small letters which we will be assigning is as a variable. Okay, and the string using either in single or double quotation marks, and they are not mutable. If you have declared the string, you cannot change the exact value what you need to change. If there is a function called some functions we can change the string values. So in this video we will be learning how to create a string and string splicing and some other functions in string. Okay, let us quickly complete this tutorial. Okay, here I have written already a program which will be creating a string. Okay, I have declared the variable a and b and the string values in single quotation marks, and after that I am going to print a and b with the help of the print statement. Let's run the module and see the output. See, here you can see that the strings which has been entered in single quotation, they have printed as it is what we needed. Okay, with the next thing we will be slicing the string. Okay, have you ever heard string slicing or the words splicing? splicing. Splicing means splicing is done in many data types, as we have done before in all the numerical data type, list data type, tuples data types, dictionary data types, and even in sets also. Have you remember anyone what is splicing? Okay, uh, here the splicing means getting access to elements uh, in any other way, like indexes, keys and values in dictionaries, and the indexes are used in numerical data type, list data type, tuples, and even sets also. So here we are going to learn what is how we can get access in strings. Okay, let me erase this all and have only one session, one line of string. I have written a lengthier statement so that we can get all the access of printing and getting access. Here the splicing means in the string we are going to take it as a index values, but not as complete as the index values. It changes somewhat differ, but the functionality will be as it is. Okay, here I am going to print all the elements in uh, in a variable a, which is welcome to the tutorial in Arimas Robotics. And the second, I am going to print the alphabets from 2 and print from indexes 2 until index 9 and skip 10. Okay. Next one, print a from 0 to 14 and by skipping one. I'm going to print again 0 to 14 by skipping two elements in the reverse manner. We will be writing in the reverse manner with double quotations and -1 and the next one -7 is to -1. Let's see what's the output comes in the format. Okay, here the first one has printed as it is the complete statement, and the second one from the third element to ninth element. So it has taken from LCOME and space TO. Okay, and the next one, it has printed from the 0th value to 14th value by skipping the one element. W is printed and E is eliminated, L, C is eliminated, C, O is printed, M is printed, and E is eliminated. E is eliminated and the other elements has printed. And here the reverse order, if you reverse this, if you reverse the statement of A, it has printed like this, and from the -7 to -1 means from this 1 to 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 up to O it will be. Yes, it has printed accordingly. So let's go for the other functions in the string. Okay, by using this statement only, we will be printing the length. For length, just we have to declare the variable len and a closing the brackets, and the second function is count a dot count of a, and the next function we'll be using as I have written here a is as a in Arimas. I have written a as a capital, so I want to make all the elements in the string as lower, means small letters. And the next one I will be showing how you can enlarge, means all the capitals into the all the small letters into the capital letters by using the function uppercase. And the next one, we will be finding the letter L. Will be partition by the element called partition, and I'm writing the function to I want to split, and by using the split I am going to give space in between, and the last function replace this. We can replace in some conditions. Let's try. If it replaces, it's well and good. I'm writing hello space welcome. See how the functions run accordingly. Some syntax error. Closing the bracket for the second time. As the length of the string is 44 and the count of A is only 1, and the remaining all outputs have been printed accordingly, and the replace function also has worked with the statement of welcome. It has replaced by hello comma welcome. Okay, by the end of this we will be concluding the data types what we have learned, and I will be creating a complete video on the data types which will be helpful for you. And in the next class we will be learning about the operators in Python. Mainly there are 7 operators which you have learned. Let's recall them again. And there are arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical, bitwise, identity and membership operators. By completing the operators you will be learned the complete fundamentals in the Python. And in the after completing the operators in Python we will be starting the basics, means this is just a fundamentals, and we will be teaching you the complete video which leads to Python related from basic to the advanced level, so that I am planning to take this opportunity and teaching you all up to the I have learned up to this in uh, nearly about data visualization and something related to cyber security. I hope I will make you learn all these topics soon. Thank you.